back to the channel, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4 in Roblox.
Yeah.
So what is it? Oh, press the button. Whoa, stand clear of the fires. Yeah, watch out. Watch out, watch out.
Hi guys.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Bro, you died. Bruh, why did I fall? Bitten by the fire. You want it? Clear. Wow. Interesting. Rome,
Yeah?
did you watch the new short?
No.
Oh,
What is it about?
the Snake Simulator.
Oh, okay.
Apart in the my YouTube video, the YouTube video.
Oh, okay. Let's you should go watch it.
Wait, it's just in my
Okay.
channel. Yeah, you can watch the shorts if you want to now.
I'll check it later.
Okay. The chaotic cussing. Yep. We need Easter eggs.
We need to get more
I can't find. Oh, I found one. I found 3 Easter eggs. How about you, Rome?
I only found one.
Bruh.
You so bad.
Well, how did he find 10 eggs?
Wet him up. I'll kill him.
Nah. Bro. How, what?
And make it smaller.
What is this mysterious drink? I wonder. Yeah. I wonder that mysterious drink. Yeah,
Let me
what's
just bigger.
mine to find the diamonds.
I'm mining everything.
Wait.
I'm in cheap. Fine.
Okay, cheat mine. Nah, bro. Okay, mine. Wait, why? Oh. Mine. Okay, no. Bro, are you serious? Wait. Mine. Bro, there's only like 23 seconds left. Yeah. So small. Bro. Where is it? Are we just bad? Are we just trash? Bro, why? We're bad. No one found a diamond. Let me get the button. Okay, wait, why is it? Okay, I did it. Yo! Did you die?
Yeah.
Bruh. Yep, I was the button person. Whoa. Yeah, on the green pad. Bro, why are you using that?
Cause why not?
Bro's cheating. Stop cheating.
Bad at
Nah! Wait, why did I not see that, bro? Oh, Kai, 3, 4. He got blessed speed. That's unfair, actually. Knowledge, yep, knowledge. Nice knowledge. Knowledge, bro. Why does it? Knowledge. Bye, wee! Boing. That's fun, bro. Let's go. Boing.
I hope
Okay, you have what? Boing, trampoline. Boing, trampoline. Boing, trampoline. Boing, trampoline. Boing, trampoline. I keep saying boing. Bro, that was not fair. What was that? I just touched the green button and then suddenly it just killed me instantly. I'm not bad, bro. That was by accident, guys. Don't comment I'm bad.
Enterino the cat.
Okay. Enterina the castle.
So as. This game so as.
Nah. Bro, how did you do it already?
This game is so as.
This game is not egg.
This game is so as.
This
The
game...
is not done on
Bro, you're using a cloud, you're cheating.
but the clone has
Oh! Nah! Oh my god. Yay, I did it. I will repeat it again. Because why not? Ow! Watch out for the snowballs. Oh my god. When there's a red hole in the ground, that means the snowballs are gonna fall. They're the shadow. Shadows aren't red. They're literally black. Oh my god. This is literally so easy. I can sit here for hours and not get hit by a snowball. And make sure to like and subscribe, by the way, if you haven't. We need a lot of subscribers. We need 1 million subscribers, guys. Please thank us. Because we're just kids. Why am I Team Peach?
Your team what?
I'm Team Peach.
You know what peach stands for?
Yeah. I'll get the walls. Awesome life hack. Getting the walls are actually the best. Just conquer these wrongs.
And it's good.
Yay, I win! 200, with 206 points. Getting the walls is the best. Like, oh my god, I need Black Cola. Give me Black Cola.
I drank the Black Cola.
Yay, Black Cola.
I stole the Black Cola.
Nah! I don't think what you say. There's another Black Cola in that corner. Next to the cactus. I don't know why it's next to the cactus. But okay. Yay, 5 players survive. Let's go, guys. What? Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, run. Yo, DY, 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 DY. The disco. A disco outside. Nah. Run. Yo. Yeah. Oh my god, it's a dropper. No, it's not a dropper. It's a, you just have to get down with that platform thingy that's moving us. We cannot control it because that's how the game works, I guess. Sword. Bro, who said that? Sword. Bro, who keeps saying that? What? Sword. Who keeps saying that? Who keeps saying tung tung sahur?
Oh, who hit me? I will link them.
Why do you have a block of walls? Nah, bro, stop spawning. Okay, slide down. Whee! Yummy. Slide. Okay, stop spawning bricks. Like, bro, stop. Actually, stop. How do you get that thing? Wait, where's the thingy? How do you get that bricks? What? Why is it so? Anyway. Flag chooses the the chosen one, guys.
Hey, why are you the chosen one?
Because I am. I will build the snowman first, bro. I'm literally the best hobby.
Because I'm
Yay! I'm a helper. I'm the best helper in the world, guys. Hurry to the ground! Ah! I'm dead. That was like a suddenly, bro. What was that? Yay, I win.
did it.
Don't touch it! Oh my god, I thought I touched it. 1, 2. Get to the end without jumping. It's a no jump obby. Stop. Okay. Psh. Nah. Oh, wait. Whoa!
I'm gonna spin the wheel.
Stand still. Okay, stand still. Bro, did not stand still, Rome.
It's not
Did you not read the message? Like, what?
Oh, somebody.
Oh my god, bro.
Block.
What was... Yo, it's filling the entire map. What? Nah. I mean, it's not filling the entire map. Whoa. Okay. Find the exit of the maze. Bro, I can just do this. Wait, do I have low graphics? Wait. Wait, do they... Wait, which side of exit?
Where's the exit?
Yo, Rome. Gamer, bro. Where's the exit? Is it near the trees? I never found the exit, guys. Stay away from the lightning. Oh my god, whoa. No. Ah,
I got lag.
lag. Get to the finish line, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Bro, so lag. I can't get it.
Ooh. Wow, this is funny. It's a bit spammy, though, which I don't like. Oh! Wait, there's a portal gun. Wait, let's try this out, guys. Whoa! It's like a portal, huh? Wait, what's that? Whoa. I'm the monster! Just really awful. I can find people's health bars. Oh my god, you're actually cheating.
Chase, why did you kill me?
I did not kill you. You're still remaining. It says on the top. He just wanted to
Then
kill
what did you
himself.
kill?
That's crazy. Hi, Brony guy. Okay. Yo, that other people are cheating. The remaining people are actually cheating. Cheaters! Would you mind if I can kill you?
See, I'm in the on top. I died.
Okay, next game. We have jump power. Whee! Oh my god.
Stole one of the
Yeah.
I stole one of the cows.
The chaotic cousins. What the bro? Bye guys. We're gonna leave this game.
Bye,
So bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure you